Good morning, grade 7s. Always great to speak to you. Please find your textbook and go to page 132. Pause the video and find page 132 in your textbooks. Let me continue. Now, in the middle of page 132, you'll find a heading there that says Transitive and Intransitive Verbs, which is what we want to discuss today. Now, we all know what a verb is in every given sentence. You know the little recipe by now, SVO, subject, verb, object. After every verb, we expect there to be an object. Now, when you do have a sentence where there's a verb followed by an object, it's called a transitive verb, which they explain to you on page 132 in the middle there. An easy example is, I will say, I drive a Ferrari. If you can ask the question, what do I drive? I drive a Ferrari. Then it's a transitive verb. The verb gets followed by an object. If I say, I spoke to my mother, you can ask the question, who? Who did I speak to? I spoke to my mother. There's an object in that sentence, so it's a transitive verb. Then we get to intransitive verbs. Those are the verbs where the verb is not followed by an object. In other words, you cannot ask what or who and get an answer because there's no answer in the sentence. I'll give you examples. I'll say, I drive quickly. It doesn't say what I'm driving. It just says I'm driving quickly. It says how I'm driving. That is an adverb. Quickly is simply an adverb. I drive quickly. Quickly is an adverb, so that verb is an intransitive verb. The next example, I spoke loudly. Loudly is an adverb. It tells you more about the verb. In other words, how did you speak? I spoke loudly. So it's an adverb. It's not an object. In other words, it's not the normal structure of a sentence, subject, verb, object. So I repeat this again so you remember. If the verb is followed by an object, we call it a transitive verb. If the verb is not followed by an object, it's called an intransitive verb. Now, what I want you to do is go through your textbooks and your dictionaries and go look for verbs that you can use in sentences. Go write down 5 sentences using transitive verbs and go write down 5 sentences using intransitive verbs. Good luck. Have a good day.